So Weber's brought in a epoxy adhesive, stroke grout. So look at it as a mosaic fix application.
Okay.
Application needs it to be an adhesive onto a critical surface, like fiberglass, metal, timber, anything, glass.
Tile on
This would
tile.
be tile on tile application. This would be where we want you to start looking at it. So our standard primary colors is white, pearl gray, cement gray. The pearl gray, think of your earrings. Pearl is a light gray, okay? And then your cement gray, cement is dark, so that's the dark gray. So that we get the naming right. Those are your three primary colors. Then we're carrying a black, limited stock of black. We have a cream, we have two blues, we have a chocolate brown. This particular product, where it goes wrong in the market is that the mixing stage. So it's a two-part mix, as I've explained to the ladies. You have a what we call accelerator or hardener, and then you've got your raw product inside there. The idea is that you take this, mix that into the bucket, and here is the one part that a lot of people miss, is a lot of applicators will just mix it by hand. In actual fact, our instructions want you to mix it with an electric drill. They just say that 100 revs per minute gives you the proper mix. Another thing that I don't recommend that the applicators must do is mix half with half, because if you see this packet, how are you going to know exactly what's half? Because half of it's now lying on this side of the packet. I do that, and then they're going to say, well, I kind of worked it out. You're never going to get it right. So the whole idea here is they mix it, they mix the whole bucket, and they apply the whole bucket. Unless they've got a tool and they can really measure it, and the point just is, as soon as you get that mix ratio wrong, your product's not going to set. Mold buildup, it doesn't discolor, it's waterproof as well, 100% waterproof. So from a grinding perspective, it ticks all the boxes. And it has the most lateral movement as well. Even though it gets as hard as rock, it will move or contract and expand more than a cementitious adhesive or grout will do.